from my partner name is T. Dasina Devi. We are from grade 5th B. We are studying in Amlopavam Lutz Academy. My project name is Microscope. Microscope is used to see things 1,000 times bigger. I was made this project because I seen that many doctors had made this. I was curious to make this. There are some parts in microscope. They are eyepiece lens, objective lens, tube, arm, base, stage clips. If we kept the leaf here and switch on this button, we can see the stem clearly. And if we see the blood slide under this microscope, the details inside the blood can be seen clearly. Thank you.